Good morning, guys. So today I'm not feeling too bad today. I'm feeling a little bit better than yesterday. So I'm gonna go on the road now just to pick up a few bits from the shops. I'm pretty much ready. I'm not feeling great. So I just put a little makeup on and fix my hair and that. So yeah, I'm going on the road now. So I'll take you along with me. This is the look. That's hair, a hoodie, black trousers, and a pair of sneakers or trainers, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, this is my new hair. Yeah, so that's the look for today. See you in a bit. I'm just about to go. If I see anything, I can pick up, but yeah, to be honest with you, because I'm not feeling well, but we have to be productive. So see you in a bit. Hi guys, so as you can see, I went into Boots just to look for some little presents to wrap to put under the Christmas tree for my friends and that. This was the gift set of shower gel, facial wash, and you see they have the scrubber right next to it. So I was just wondering what to. Okay, so we enter into this clothing store that carried the Senorita Oris collection. She does some nice collection. I got some of her pieces last year and it was so nice. I really love it. But I took one of the pieces on holiday and it was absolutely fabulous. So this is a nice another Christmas season, and I was just checking out this red trousers and this set. And it looks really good. They got the dress over there was really nice, and I think I'm gonna go back to the store and get the red. And this, what I'm looking at, is nice see-through trousers as well, which that's a holiday look, and I love it. Anything sparkly, I love. Christmas is like one of my favorite time because all the sparkles comes out. Yes, I love my sparkle. I love it. I was walking around the store just checking it out. As I said, I wasn't feeling very well throughout the day, throughout the morning actually, and I just get myself ready and just go on the road, and I was just checking. So here I am in Superdrug again, just checking out the little offers that they have. So here I am in Morrison's. Finished the shopping. I wasn't shopping, but I just finished looking around in the stores in town. And I said, okay, I'm hungry. And then I thought, oh, baking season next week, so I just pick up some flour. Because I already have self-raising flour, and some flour, some dry fruits as well. Because I have to pick up flour, because come next week, you won't see any flour in the shop. People are just gonna start scrape. So they use this week to collect all the presents, and then next week is the week for the baking. So all the flour is gonna go, all the eggs is gonna go, sugar is gonna go. People start baking, making sure that they have their Christmas cake ready. So I went to get evaporated milk because I heard that you can put evaporated milk. I got that and cook, and then I saw the Baileys, one of my favorite. It was an offer.